What is it about Rolls Royce and Lamborghini that sets hearts racing and sparks dreams of luxury and speed? Is it their exquisite craftsmanship, their unparalleled performance, or perhaps their iconic status in the world of high-end automobiles? Let's delve into the world of these two legendary brands, exploring their unique attributes, from reliability to road presence, maintenance costs to mind-blowing features. Rolls Royce, a name synonymous with supreme luxury and elegance. Known for its meticulous attention to detail and an unrivaled commitment to perfection, Rolls-Royce cars are a testament to the British automaker's century-old heritage. When it comes to reliability, Rolls-Royce takes the crown. With their robust engineering and high-quality materials, these cars are built to last. However, such luxury comes with a price. The maintenance cost of a Rolls-Royce can be quite high, owing to the brand's use of bespoke parts and the intricate craftsmanship involved in their production. In terms of features, Rolls-Royce offers an array of cutting-edge technology, from advanced safety systems to luxurious comfort features. With its handcrafted interiors and personalized options, Rolls-Royce provides an unparalleled luxury experience. The road presence of a Rolls-Royce is undeniable, commanding respect on the road with its imposing size and regal design. On the other hand, Lamborghini, the Italian stallion of the automotive world, is all about raw power and breathtaking speed. With their daring designs and audacious performance, Lamborghinis are the embodiment of Italian passion and innovation. Contrastingly, Lamborghini, with its focus on performance, may require more frequent servicing due to the high-stress nature of its components. Yet, the maintenance cost might be slightly lower compared to Rolls-Royce due to the more widespread availability of parts and service centers. Lamborghini offers a thrilling driving experience with its high-performance features and sporty interiors. The bold colors and aggressive lines of a Lamborghini turn heads wherever it goes. So what do these differences tell us about the buyers of these two brands? Rolls-Royce buyers value luxury, refinement, and timeless elegance. They appreciate the brand's meticulous attention to detail and the exclusivity that comes with owning a Rolls-Royce. Lamborghini buyers, on the other hand, are adrenaline junkies who crave speed and excitement. They are drawn to the brand's daring designs and the exhilarating performance of its cars. In summary, Rolls-Royce and Lamborghini, while both being high-end luxury brands, cater to different types of car enthusiasts. Rolls-Royce appeals to those who value sophistication and elegance, while Lamborghini attracts those who seek thrill and excitement. The allure of these brands lies in their ability to fulfill the desires of their discerning buyers, pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence and creating works of art on wheels.